Ever pondered what the best programming languages and technologies to master in the upcoming year might be? As we approach 2024, the tech landscape continues to evolve at an impressive speed, making it crucial to stay ahead of the curve. Python, a titan of the programming world, shows no signs of slowing down. Known for its simplicity and versatility, Python is a powerful tool for web development, data analysis, machine learning, and automation. Its extensive libraries make it a favorite among many in the tech industry. Next up, JavaScript. This dynamic language is a cornerstone of web development. Whether you're working on the front end with frameworks like React, Vue, or Angular, or on the back end with Node.js, JavaScript is a skill that's in high demand. Java, the versatile and platform-independent language, continues to be widely used for enterprise applications, Android app development, and large-scale systems. With a strong community supporting its growth, it remains a valuable language to learn. And let's not forget C#. Essential for Windows application development, game development using Unity, and enterprise solutions within the Microsoft ecosystem, C# is a language that continues to hold its ground. Moving on to technologies, cloud computing is a key player. Platforms such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud are fundamental for scalability, reliability, and accessibility. As more and more businesses move to the cloud, knowledge of these platforms becomes increasingly valuable. Machine learning and AI frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn are also worth exploring. As AI continues to revolutionize various sectors, these tools are becoming increasingly important for tech professionals. Containerization and orchestration technologies like Docker and Kubernetes are also crucial. They help manage and deploy applications consistently across different environments, making them a must-know for any tech enthusiast. Web development frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js are key for building modern, interactive web applications. In the same vein, DevOps tools like Jenkins, Git, and CI/CD pipelines are important for streamlining software development and deployment. As blockchain technology continues to grow, understanding platforms like Ethereum and programming languages like Solidity can prove valuable. Similarly, with an increasing emphasis on security, learning about cybersecurity tools and best practices is a must. Finally, serverless computing using platforms like AWS Lambda or Azure Functions offers scalability and cost efficiency by abstracting server management. This makes it another valuable skill to have in your tech toolkit. However, remember that the best programming languages and technologies to learn can vary based on your goals, interests, and the industry you're targeting. Staying adaptable and continuously learning will be essential as technology evolves. Start today. Pick one of these languages or technologies and begin your journey of discovery. The world of tech awaits you.